Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is 402nd part of explanation of my theory. Arıdaşır's mine. New electron location, certain determination theory versus uncertainty principle. Successive ionization energies are deterministic codes of electrons' locations. My theory doesn't need disturb the electron to determine its place in an atom. 1. An electron is a standstill spinning ring-shaped section. There are 3 electrons connected with each electron connected with a single proton in an atom. Yes, this is section. Standstill, for instance, greatest electron here, lithium atom. Standstill, spinning, motionless, but it is itself motion form electron. Okay. An electron is a standstill spinning ring-shaped sphere motion form that encloses the nucleus as its spherical center in an atom. Here, smallest electron, at the center of it, 3 protons. Second, at the center of it, 3 protons. Third electron at the center of 3 protons, nucleus. Okay, we know places. How? This electron's, largest electron's radius or wavelength is 239 nanometers. Lithium atom. Second largest one, 16.4 nanometer. Smallest electron, 10.13 nanometer. And its position relatively nucleus or protons, we know, because at the center of each electron there are 3 protons, nucleus. Okay. Neutrons extra. Yes. Now, an electron is a standstill spinning ring-shaped sphere motion form that encloses the nucleus as its spherical center in an atom. It is at rest, but since it is a motion form, it has not potential energy or rest mass or rest energy. An electron in an atom is motionless, at rest, but it is motion form in the same time. Spinning, but it doesn't spin around nucleus, doesn't spin around, or it is not an oscillating probabilistic wave or particle. Okay, it doesn't revolve itself. It doesn't rotate it around itself. It doesn't spin around itself, but ring-shaped. Okay, ring-shaped. Like what? Ring-shaped, spherical, cycling. Like this. Okay. Yes. 2. Contrary to quantum theory, electrons are not identical dimensionless point particles. They have 3 dimensions and each electron has different radius, in other words, wavelength. in an atom, like lithium atom, different wavelengths. What determines these wavelengths of different electron motion forms? Successive ionization energies corresponds radius or energy or other values, sizes of an electron in an atom. Yes. They have 3 dimensions and each electron has different radius. In other words, wavelength in an atom. Yes. What ionization energy or ground state energy of an atom corresponds a specific radius or wavelength of an electron in an atom. Okay. Like this. For instance, 5.39 electron volts corresponds to 139 nanometer wavelength. Greatest electron motion form. Cycling. We know its place relatively nucleus here, completely. Think of 3-dimensional, spherical. Okay. And 75.64 electron volts corresponds 16.4 nanometer wavelength size electron. And finally, 122.45. Okay. 122.45 electron volts corresponds smallest electron motion of 10.13 nanometer wavelength size. We know this is sphere, this is sphere, this is sphere. We know each point 3-dimensionally. We know where is electron. Okay. Relatively nucleus. Now, 3 protons are connected with each other and each electron made a joint motion with only a proton in an atom, and electron and proton share the same spinning ring motion axis which have